Thank you so much. Papa Adeboye said glorious days for the Naira will soon return. That is the truth. But that does not mean that he was speaking in favor of Tinubu's administration or endorsement of Tinubu's economic policy. No, people are mixing it up. There is nothing wrong in what Papa said. As an elder, he was speaking with confidence that God is able to restore things in Nigeria. He's not speaking that Tinubu will be used or have the idea to move Nigeria forward. But by faith and by divine intervention, Nigeria will surely bounce back and the economy will return to normal. Definitely, it may not be through Tinubu, because anybody depending on this government may definitely be wasting time. We believe God that there will be an intervention and a credible government of the people will come and Naira will soon bounce back. That is the truth.